Investors don't like expensive surprises. That's not surprising at all, is it really? And this is Hutton here, by the way, the founder of Beyond M&A, and we provide due diligence services for technology, and exactly for the reason stated here. This is a very small video on the 3 success factors for an assessment to go well. And effectively, number 1 is an investable technology team. So in reality, the team will be very capable, but can they adapt to a more commercial outcome and also to much higher levels of governance? The second success factor is whether the technology strategy aligns with the business growth plan and actually supports it. So in summary, does tech deliver fast and with a clear return on investment? And thirdly, which is obviously why we're hired, is a minimal tech debt and post-deal liabilities. So we don't really want to be paying today for mistakes made in the past. So if the 3 factors are team, plan, and debt, what are we tending to see? Well, in reality, first of all, we often find that the technology team needs to change. And that can be really some obvious things like adding some more tech skills. But what tends to also happen is there needs to be some coaching, some help to adapt to being under a new institutional investor. But really, we're just trying to address some skill gaps, and immediately for the first 2 or 3 months, that's really important. Secondly, tech tends to be a hindrance to the growth plan. And we find all this historical information about the business being really upset that technology hasn't been able to produce what it's promised. So simple stuff like I'm not able to forecast aspects of my business or even innovate in ways that make us secure. And lastly, considerable tech debt, risks and liabilities. In short, what does tech debt mean? Well, we've made some decisions, and a strategic decision to deliver fast, but at the cost of long-term sustainability. So we have to go back and fix that. In short, really, if you're an investor, how much of your money is being spent on innovation versus keeping the lights on and maintenance due to decisions made in the past? So if I just want to recap, it's really around the team, plan and debt. But what we're really seeing is changes needed in the team. The plan doesn't really work and tech is a hindrance. And lastly, often there's a lot of tech debt. So I hope you find that helpful and love to speak with you if you'd like to discuss any more. Cheers.